How to download Kakao Talks on your PC. What's up everyone, welcome back to another tutorial. If you guys are wondering how you can download the Kakao Talks Messenger app on your PC, then you've found the right video. The very first thing you need to do is, as you guys know, Kakao Talks, the app is itself not available on Windows or Mac OS, so what you'll have to do is download an Android emulator like BlueStacks, and for that you can just head over to your new tab. And on your browser, you can just search for something like BlueStack download. Now, once you do that, you should be able to install the installation file of BlueStack. Now, from there, you can just download the application from the installation file. And once your app is open, you are going to see an interface just like this one. So all you need to do here is tap on this app player button, and it will open up your app player. Now, here you will find your Google Play Store on the folder that says System Apps. And once you open the Play Store, make sure that you're logged into your account. Head over to search bar and simply search for Kakao Talks. And then you will be able to find the Kakao Talks right here. So I'm just going to make it correct. And then you should be able to get the app right here. So you can install the app from here and enjoy it on your PC. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. I'll see you guys on the next video. Thanks for watching.